Hello, my name is Caitlin Sweeney. My field placement is in an agency that provides mental health, substance use, and co-occurring treatment in southern New Jersey. This agency provides outpatient services, intensive outpatient services, and partial hospitalization to 110 consumers. The agency has been in existence since 1995 and services Gloucester, Camden, Cumberland, and Salem counties. I interned for the substance abuse and co-occurring disorder programs. One thing that I really enjoy about my field experience is that it is very different from my full-time job. I enjoy gaining new experiences and learning about different populations. At my full-time job, I work with adolescents who have autism and/or other intellectual disabilities. At my field placement, I work with adults with substance abuse issues. Where my full-time job is more hands-on, the field placement is hands-off. I like to get different experiences with different populations because social work is very broad. I primarily work with clients in group therapy. Sometimes it is difficult for me to capture and document all the information presented in data assessment and plan notes because of the number of clients in the group. Sometimes clients may not be forthcoming with their feelings because they don't feel comfortable talking in front of other people. One thing I have learned about myself during field experience is that I am empathetic and I am non-judgmental towards clients, even though I grew up with a parent who is a recovering alcoholic. Thank you.